Hi everyone, my name is Irfan Sultan and you are watching my YouTube channel Health Vlogs. Let's start advanced dietary strategies for cholesterol management and holistic health. Hypercholesterolemia remains a primary etiological factor in cardiovascular disease, necessitating the implementation of evidence-based dietary modifications for effective management. The following advanced strategies, grounded in current nutritional science, are recommended for optimizing cholesterol profiles and promoting systemic health. Amplify soluble fiber intake. Soluble fiber, prevalent in oats, barley, legumes, and specific fruits such as apples and berries, has been demonstrated to attenuate serum LDL cholesterol concentrations by interfering with intestinal absorption. A daily intake of 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber is advised to achieve clinically significant reductions in LDL levels. Prioritize unsaturated lipids. Transition from saturated fats, typically found in red meats and full-fat dairy, to unsaturated fats derived from sources such as olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, to mitigate triglyceride levels and exert cardioprotective effects. Eliminate trans fatty acids. Trans fats, commonly present in partially hydrogenated oils and processed snacks, are potent contributors to elevated LDL and diminished HDL cholesterol levels. Vigilant avoidance of such products is imperative. Utilize plant sterols and stanols. Plant-derived sterols and stanols, available in fortified consumables such as margarine spreads, orange juice, and yogurt, effectively inhibit intestinal cholesterol absorption. A daily intake of 2 grams of these compounds has been substantiated to lower LDL cholesterol substantially. Emphasize phytonutrient-rich produce. The inclusion of a diverse array of fruits and vegetables enhances antioxidant intake, provides essential micronutrients, and augments dietary fiber, collectively improving lipid profiles. A minimum of 5 servings per day is recommended for optimal health outcomes. Incorporate whole grains. Whole grains, including brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, offer superior nutritional and fiber content compared to refined alternatives, aiding in cholesterol regulation. Modulate portion control. Excess caloric consumption, irrespective of macronutrient composition, can exacerbate dyslipidemia through adiposity. Employ smaller serving implements and mindful eating practices to prevent overconsumption. Restrict added sugars. Diets high in added sugars are associated with decreased HDL cholesterol and elevated triglycerides. Limiting intake of sugary beverages and confections is recommended to support lipid homeostasis. Maintain adequate hydration. Adequate water consumption is vital for maintaining physiological homeostasis, facilitating metabolic processes, and supporting overall health. Design nutrient-dense meals. Balance meals by integrating lean protein sources, unsaturated fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates to ensure comprehensive nutrient provision and sustained and increased HDL cholesterol. However, excessive intake can negate these benefits and precipitate deleterious health outcomes. Address lifestyle factors. Smoking cessation and stress management, while extraneous to direct dietary interventions, are critical adjuncts to improving cholesterol metrics and enhancing cardiovascular health. Consistent application of these strategies, coupled with regular monitoring of lipid panels, can facilitate substantial improvements in cholesterol management. Incremental but persistent adherence to these guidelines ensures sustained health benefits and mitigates the risk of associated pathologies. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me.